Hey team, alright, so if you're having some trouble on your benchmark or your midterm or anything else that is housed in SchoolNet, then you might have to clear some of your cookies and your browsing history. Alright, now some of that's on lockdown from school, and depending upon what device you're on, you might have limited success. But the number one go-to is head to the top corner when you're in your internet browser. Choose these three dots that gives you your options. Then choose history. Then choose history again. This is going to bring up your history of where you've been. Click clear browsing data. Make sure that it's set to all time. Okay. And then I think if you're on a school computer, it will have things pre-checked for you. When you click clear data, it will hopefully give you a better running process because it gets rid of the extra junk that your browser is using. Then you should be able to go back to your SchoolNet test that you were working on and get back to being let in and fulfilling the test. So give that a try first if you're having some trouble, and then let me know.